Good morning, rain clouds. This is a piece I call Pollinators and Predators. While gardening this month, I took my cameras everywhere. I even set out my new view peak in privet patio behind the moon gate where the blue pool is and frogs croak. And this is what I saw. A pair of foxes are new to our big backyard. Raccoons and possums and woodchucks have been regular visitors. Back in 2016, after I retired, I did a series of videos called Curiosity in the Compost, based on 2 rats that had been released by my neighbor that took up residence in my earthworm farm, aka compost facility, aka rat penthouse, kitchen, living area, with an entrance and an exit from the earthworm farm box with a hinged lid that Newsom and Grant made for me when Grant was a little boy. This is a new behavior never seen before in the queendom. Oh, come on, focus on the thing. I got a woodpecker that's taken to hummingbird solution. I hope it's good for it. This is out Newsom's window. While gardening in my front yard, fireflies rise in the sky over privet patio. Out back, Hawthorne Hill has berries galore, and Sea Rock City, huge red hibiscus laden with pollen that I studied under the microscope. While we were gone to Carrollton, I put one of my Browning field cameras on the back porch, looking at Sidley's food bowl. And look at all these visitors who came passing by. Last week, I noticed duckweed floating in Sidley's water dish, and I suspected that raccoon was fishing for frogs in my blue pool and then coming up to the back porch and washing its feet in the water bowl. And sure as the dickens, that raccoon right outside the bedroom door by Newsom's shoes caught that bandit red-handed. So I was telling you about curiosity in the compost with the rats. Well, I set up a little feeding station out there in privet patio, and every evening about 8 o'clock, I go put out whatever leftovers we're not going to eat. I'm telling you, the diner on privet patio is popular. While we were in Carrollton, I put the other Browning field camera up front, and I think this captured a fox encounter with one of the stray cats. There it comes. Field cameras are fun when you have the data set correctly. There's one of my little friends. Aren't you a cutie? You gonna jump over here and see me? Oh, yes you are. So where can I put you? Oh, I don't want you in my hair. There you go. Oh. Finally, drop to safety. Now be sure not to mulch you, okay? I love jumping spiders. They're as curious as I am. One of my goals as a grandmom is to teach my grandchildren how to use a camera and a microscope. Hey, you long-legged fly. This is a cute time lapse that I sped up times 16 until dum. I slowed this little segment down times 0.5 because Newsom helped me crank up the blower. Then he asked me to blow off the mower, and him, of course. About an hour's worth of work.